Hello everyone. Welcome back in our channel, How to Use. Here I am going to show you how to fix Insta song glitch in Reels. First of all, open your Insta app. After that, open your Reels section. Now you can see I opened this new sound. And when I'm putting my video clip is here, it's showing, can't add audio, try again. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Remember song name, that will help you further in video. Simple, open your reel option. And upper side you can see camera option, click on that. Now select your video clip. And now click on audio and type same name of that song. Whatever you have to use in this reel. Here you can see, problem has been fixed. After new update it will be fixed. Subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.